all the first timers. Am I looking at you? Oh, look at the camera. Be cool, be cool, be cool. My biggest takeaway from the last few days, having never been here before, is that there's, on a really high level, is just always more. There's always more training that we could be doing. There's always better service that we can provide to our customer. There's always more product knowledge to be gained. There's always better efficiencies to be gained because our projects are going to be more successful when we do that.
My favorite takeaway from the past few days, the fact that Haworth is brave and seems to be designing things that nobody else is at the moment.
Biggest takeaway would be understanding the process of the manufacturing side, I think, a little bit more, and maybe having some grace when it comes to shortages or things not, showing up when they're supposed to, and all that stuff is just frustrating on our end. But to see why that could happen and everything that goes into it, it was cool.
It has been awesome to get to see where the magic happens, from getting to play around in the space lab and getting to see and talk to the minds behind product creation, to being on the manufacturing floor, seeing how many people actually are touching and making the products has been really impactful and has really strengthened my connection to the Haworth products.
Definitely favorite thing is getting to connect with our expanded Freeform team, getting to know our people better, finding out what Haworth is all about, learning about the product.
I'd say I was most impressed, we'll say, coming in to the building and just impressed by the architecture.
My favorite part of the trip has been getting to know the people that work at Haworth and really seeing their culture firsthand and all the different departments and their passions for what they do here.
My favorite thing about the last couple of days is meeting all of the people here at Haworth. I think it was really powerful for me in learning about how important the relationship is between Haworth and DII.
My favorite thing about the trip so far has been the factory tour and seeing the ATV machines and just how efficient those help the factory be. They're constantly going up and down and all around, and how big the factory is super impressive.
Being here at headquarters and getting to actually talk in person with the people that are making the furniture and making things happen, to discuss in person what's possible. It's just such a different experience than, contacting over email or by phone.
I love Haworth, but coming here makes it feel so much more accessible. There's a lot of resources that maybe they were kind of at my hand, but now I feel like I have the permission to go and grab, and it will make it feel just more cohesive maybe, and not such a mystery.